Right, Documents back yet again. Today this is my International Harvester B275. On the back I've got a Dennings of Chard circular saw bench just to demonstrate the hydraulics work. So I'm going to be putting this tractor up for sale soon. Just the tractor, the bench will be going up separately. So let's start him up and I'll give you a little treat. Just remember, this is some more of my stuff. The excitement's killing me. Rubbish, there's no rally this year, isn't it? Never mind, have my own on my own. Right, I've engaged the old PTO. It's going round and round and round. That's the saw bench. Heavy old thing, hydraulics are all good. As ever with these old tractors, the tyres are a bit tired, but they're all up. Engine sounds really good. Tin works fair, he's okay. He's a happy tractor. Let's come back a bit. It's got the roll bar. He's also got the gubbins for a front loader. I've got the front loader. It needs a couple of plates welding on, a little bit of work putting in, but all the rams are there and everything. And the posh seat. The oil pressure's really good. All the other gauges don't seem to want to be doing anything. I mean, he is 50 odd years of age, but the main thing is we've got oil pressure and it's good. The engine sounds great. The old 275, 1967. He's not the world's best tractor, but it could be your tractor. And he's happy, that's the main thing. Anyway, oh, he is pretty. Look at him, I like those smaller wheels on the back. He looks really hunkered down, really nice. Anyway, there you go. International Harvester B275 from 1967. Right, I'll leave you that one. Bye for now. Bye.